In today's video, I'll teach you how to reset Kuda account password. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in app.kuda.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Kuda. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. But if you want to reset your password, what you have to do is simply look under the section for password. You'll be able to find this written, forgot password, reset it. Click on this option, reset it, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to reset your password. All you have to do is enter the email address linked to your Kuda account. So what you have to do is click on the field of email address and enter your email address over here. Now after you do that, click on this option reset that you can see on the screen. Now if the email address that you provided is correct, an email will be sent to your email. So what you have to do is go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Now the Gmail will be opened. Kuda will send you the email. Right now I haven't received the email from Kuda because of various technical reasons. But I'll tell you what to do. In that email you'll be able to find the password reset link. What you have to do is click on it. After you do that, you'll be redirected to the new tab. In the new tab, you'll be able to reset the password for yourself. Simply enter the new password and confirm the password. After you do that, your password will be reset and you'll be able to log into your account with the new password. So that is how you reset Kuda account password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.